I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and we're back with another shortcut quilt. This quilt is so easy. It's called Jolly Bar Jump, and it is great for beginners and great for something if you want to do a quick gift on the weekend. All you need is one Jolly Bar and 2 solid charm packs. Today we're using Bella color 200. Now you could also use yardage for this and just cut your yardage down into 5-inch charm packs also, or 5-inch squares. We're going to use RFL color 2000, and I'm just going to use the Creative Grids Perfect 10 ruler since the squares that we're working with are 9.5-inch square. So that's going to work perfectly. Your free pattern has instructions on how to make the lap pattern, and you can download that at Fat Quarter Shop. And we also have a free size guide to make a toddler or a twin. So pick that up at Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm going to show you how easy this one is. So let's get started. Our first step is to work with our Jolly Bar. Jolly Bars are exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop, and they're 5 by 10-inch rectangles, and you get 42 in a pack. On this pattern, we're going to actually trim down to 5 by 9.5. So we're just going to take the Creative Grids Perfect 10 ruler and just line up the 9.5-inch trim, and that's all the waste you have. So that is great. Very little waste in this pattern. Then you're going to take 2 of these rectangles that are different, and we're going to label them as our A's. And then we're going to put these together. So you would put them right sides together, and we're going to pin. So I like to pin a couple of times in this, maybe at the beginning, the end, and once in the middle. And then you're going to go to your sewing machine and using color 2000 RFL thread and just use a 1/4-inch foot. I like to use the Juki 1/4-inch foot that has a guide, and you just go straight down, and then you're going to press. And when you press, you want to press this open, and you're going to make 35 of these for the lap. We're going to leave 17 just like this, and then we're going to take 18 of these and add corner squares. So we're going to take our 5-inch squares, and on the wrong side, draw a line from corner to corner on all 4. And if you don't have charm packs, you can just cut 72 5-inch squares. On this fabric, since it's solid, there's not really a wrong or right side, so you can draw on any side. You're going to place your 5-inch squares on 2 opposing corners. It doesn't matter which corners. And I like to make sure that all of the fabric on the side and the bottom is lined up. And I do put 3 pins in place. That way when you're stitching, nothing will move. And then you're going to take an open toe foot, and with an open toe foot you can see where your needle is going to go. We're going to stitch directly on these lines using color 2000, and then we'll be right back. So now that we've stitched directly on the line, I'm going to cut a 1/4 inch away from that seam. And then we're going to press these open, and it will look just like this, nice and open, so you have all these seams really nice and flat. And then we're going to do the same exact thing on the remaining corners. Now, of course, you could do 1 corner at a time. I think the most important part is really pinning here so that when you stitch and you fold over, it matches. So for example, if it's not pinned, for example, and you do that, you're going to have a weird looking corner, and then your points here and here aren't going to line up. So add these, stitch, trim, and this is how your diamond block will look, and we're going to make 18 of these. Assemble your quilt center by alternating your Jolly Bar jump blocks with your diamond blocks. Press toward your Jolly Bar jump blocks. Assemble your rows and then press down. Then you're going to add your side borders and press, and your top and bottom borders and press. We would love for you to share your Jolly Bar Jump quilts with us on social media so we can see them. We now have over 40 shortcut quilt videos for you, and the patterns are completely free. So subscribe to our channel, shop at Fat Quarter Shop, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.